The water inlet valve controls the flow of hot and cold water to the washer. If your washer doesn't fill, or if it fills with water even when the washer is unplugged, then you can replace the water inlet valve using the steps in this video. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Now let's get started. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Turn off the water supply valves for the washer. Using channel lock pliers, carefully loosen and remove both water hoses from the back of the washer. Some water may pour out. Pull the plastic end caps off the sides of the control console. Remove the screws from both sides of the console. Pull the console slightly forward and then swing it up and back over the top of the back panel. Unplug the wire harness from the lid switch on the washer's top panel. Release the clips that secure the cabinet to the washer's back panel with a slot screwdriver. Lift the back of the cabinet and tilt the cabinet forward. Set the cabinet out of the way. Detach the wire harness connectors from the solenoid coils. Remove the water inlet valve mounting screws and release it from the washer back panel. Using pliers, release the hose clamp from the interior fill hose. Pull the interior fill hose off the water inlet valve. Remove the old valve from the washer. Install the mounting bracket on the new water inlet valve. Install the screw to secure the mounting bracket. Connect the interior fill hose to the new valve and secure it using the hose clamp. Attach the water inlet valve to the back washer panel using the mounting screws. Reconnect the wire harness to the new valve. Tilt the back of the cabinet up, push the base forward, and slide the lip under the front base. Lower the back of the cabinet so the alignment tabs fit into the holes. Reinstall the spring clips at the top of the cabinet. Plug the lid switch wire harness back into the receptacle. Put the control console back in position and snap it into place. Reinstall the mounting screws at the base of the console. Snap the plastic end caps onto both sides. Thread the fill hoses into the connections on the back of the washer, checking that the hot and cold lines are in the correct place. Tighten the connections firmly using channel lock pliers. Don't over-tighten because that could crack the plastic in the valve. Turn on the water supply valves and check for leaks at the wall and the washer. Plug the washer into the electrical outlet.